a lot of people who come to the UK thinking about, oh, I'll get a job sometime. They don't know the harsh reality of the market. And we directly change the currency and like, oh, 100x of what I earn in India or in Pakistan. And the fact is, you also spend in 100x, no?
Exactly.
If your conversion is over 5 to 10%, your CV is good. You are the boss. Say your conversion rate is below 3%. Then you need to follow some best practices that have worked for other people. Everyone has to do video interviews, clear the levels, and whoever wins the game gets the job. Squid Game, but for jobs. Thankfully, you don't get killed for that. People get hired on personality every day. In the UK, they care more about your personality. Are you competent enough in terms of soft skills? And then your technical skills come. So if you're not doing this one thing, you're probably going to mess up your entire job hunt. And that is to have a clear-cut strategy. So the first thing you need to do is you need to create a battle plan. And that battle plan is your job hunting strategy. If you take back anything from this podcast, it needs to be those 5 things. You're 30% done with your job hunt.